Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we will discuss a new exercise 7.3. It's too easy, too simple. Okay, so here in this exercise the topic name is comparing fractions. We just compare fractions with other. Let's suppose you can see these two things, okay? They have a same size, okay, same width, everything is same. But there is one problem. We divide the first one into three parts, okay, and we shaded one part, okay, and the down one we divide this into four parts and shade one part, okay. So which one is smaller or which one is greater? So it's depend on the with the help of this one. Look, you can see here, like this one we call it 1/4 and here is 1/3. So if we compare this, so 1/3 is bigger than 1/4, because you can also see this area is, they take a more areas compared to this one. Okay, so 1/3 is more than 1/4. So once you solve this or once you divide this, okay, if your answer is stop somewhere, okay, so it's mean that it's a terminating value. If it's continuously moving, it's called recurring, okay. So these three dots mean recurring decimals, okay. The three dot is end shown, it's unlimited, like 1/3, the same, and the 1/4 that is terminating because it's 0.25, it's terminate somewhere. Now here the first example, 7.3, write the fraction 3/4 and 7/8. Okay, so first of all, if you try to make the same decimal, so it's easy for you to solve this. Let's suppose I multiply this 4 by 2 to get make 8. So if you multiply by 2 here, so the same number I multiply by here. So my answer here is 6/8, and here is 7/8. So obviously 7/8 is greater than as compared to 6/8. So which one is larger? So let's see here how we know this all. Question number one. So how we know 3/4? 3/4 obviously it means is 0.75, but 7/8 mean that is almost 8 in between 85 to 90. Okay, so once we solve this, so we will get our answer, that is this one. Okay, so here is a number line. With the in this number line we will put here, we will divide first of all into 8 parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so 7 is this part, 7/8, and this one is 6/8. Okay, so in other words we also call it 3/4 because we simplify here. So which one is larger? 7/8 is larger. Use the calculator to work out which is the smaller fraction out of 3/5, and here is 2/3. So 3/5 that is equal to 0.6, and 3/2 that is equal to 0.66. So 3/5 is smaller than. So like that, exercise 7.3. In this exercise, you first of all you just check how many division this will have. 1 2 3 4 5 6, now 6. So it's mean they have 6 divisions, so we can divide means 1 into 6 parts, so you will get your answer. Each part is 1/6. Okay, so here he say 2/3 means it's a 4/6. So I multiply, I just make the denominator same. So what I do here, let me show you here. So if I make it 6 denominator, so I multiply by 3, so its answer is 3/6. Okay, and here this one I make it, so it's a 4/6. Okay, so which one is the fourth place and which one is the third place? 1 2 and third. Here I write 3/6, 3/6, and here I write 4/6. So here is 4/6. Okay, so in the correct position of the number line, so you can see which one is the larger. Obviously 4/6 is larger, means 2/3 is larger as compared to 4/. Copy the number line and write the fraction in the correct position. So you can see this one, first of all he divide into 10 parts. Okay, so he will try to make this one also 10. So if we multiply by 2 to make the denominator 10, so it's also multiply by 2 with 4, that is 8/10. 8/10. Okay, so where is 8/10? That is here. Okay, 8/10 is here, and and 7 by 10 is just behind him. So this one is 7 by 10 and the other one is 8 by 10. So which one is larger? 8 by 10 obviously means 4 by 5. So the same like that, the rest of them you are solving, you will solve in each of the question. Copy the shapes to the next shape. Okay, now here he said 1 by 2, so it's mean the first box you will color this like only this part you will color it. Mm, okay, I just put a star. This any one part you color this. Here he said 3, so 1 2 and 3 you color. Okay, the rest of them you left it. 3 1 2 and 3, so we just color this. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so the rest of them you color it. Okay, here you can just he said 1 2 3 4, it's a 8. Okay, so I multiply by 2, then I will get, so it's mean 2 balls I color it. Here is 3 by 8, 1 2 3, I color it. Here half, he said half, so this one is half. Okay, here is 1 by 3, so how many total are 6, so I multiply by 2, so here is 6 and here is 2, so 1 and 2. Okay, the rest of them are empty. So as it is same, use the calculator to work out which is the larger in these two fractions. Okay, so you can try to make the number same. So how you will do this, you multiply by 5 here to make it 20 and here multiply by 2. Okay, so what is the answer? Let's suppose I multiply by here by 5 and here also I multiply by 5. If any number you in the place of denominator you multiply, the same number you multiply at the place of nominator. So the answer is equal to 5 by 20. Okay, so here is 5 by 20. Okay, and the next one you write here 6 by 20. Here is 6 by 20. Okay, so this one is 6 by 20, other is 5 by, so which one is greater? 6, obviously 6 by 20. So here you write 6 by 20 is greater than other one, or you also write here this one is greater. So same like that, use the rest of them, you also solve it. First you find which numbers both have. Okay, so multiply with this one and you can easily find that one. Like 6 have 30, 15 also have 30, like this one which will have 40, 20 has 40, and 8 also have 40. Same like this mm, 8 7 no, 6 to 56, both have 56. Okay, so once you multiply you will get your answer. So here you are also using the sign, either it's a greater or smaller. Okay, so the rest of the questions are as it is like that. Okay, so here are the answers of 1 to 8. So I hope you understand. So kindly take a picture and solve this all. Thank you, take care, goodbye.